Oh, you dorks, come here. Oh. All right, everybody, meet Bolt and Bell. Okay, go play. All right, so the team has been training for the last couple of months, getting ready to go live 24/7 on September 30th. And I want to put them to the test. So what I've done is I've created a Slack channel, free Slack channel for free support for all high-level agencies. All you have to do is fill out the form below. Don't need any credit card information. Don't ask for any billing information. We're gonna ask for your phone number, your email, because that's what Slack requires of us. And then somebody from our team will add you to the Slack channel. Once you're in there, poke around, get a feel for it. It's brand new. You might be the first person, I don't know, to actually join the channel. You might be the 100th person, who knows. Either way, 24/7 live support. Somebody will be in there answering questions, doing Zoom videos, hopping on a Zoom with you if they need to, sending you a Loom, whatever it may be. You got a question about a support issue inside HighLevel, ask it in the Slack channel. We will take care of the rest. I'm gonna go play with my dogs and have some dinner. Peace, love you guys.